Steve from Spring has a question about toilet replacement.
Well, his budget can only go as high as $600 each.
That's pretty good for a toilet.
Well, wait till you hear what he
one.
wants. Steve writes, I'm looking for a one-piece, but I'm okay with a two-piece toilet. He says a 12-inch rough-in elongated bowl and prefer a chair height model. He says, I looked at Toto but see bad reviews, and I'm not concerned with low water usage. I want the power. He wants a flush that says, get out of here.
I will tell you this, Toto was one of the leaders when the whole thing changed, and it's all about the throat of a toilet. That is the hole where your stuff goes down.
Where the goods find their way to the ocean.
The old days they had, I think it was 7/8 of an inch hole. Now they're up to 1 1/4. That's what changed, is they got a bigger hole through the throat.
Well,
we'll leave it at that.
He was saying that he's seeing gallons per flush.
I don't care about gallons.
Okay, it doesn't matter because he's seeing 1.6.
It has to do with the hole that it all goes down. You never see the
all right,
hole.
So he wants
Toto is a good toilet.
Okay.
I have them in my house.
Well, here's the challenge. You go to the home centers and you're going to get whatever they're stocking. He wants to know, where would you go to buy the right one?
I'm going there. But now I want to say,
I guess the opening wasn't big enough to get there quick.
I just want to tell you, let everybody know that it's changed. It's not a big deal anymore. But the one-piece units and the low tanks, the insides cost a lot more money to replace than
the low flow.
The two-piece units.
Okay,
they're not. It has nothing to do with
the one-piece, two-piece. Okay.
The one-piece, right? So if it's up to you, and the one-piece units are more expensive, so you'll have to spend a little more money. If that's what you want, fine. You have 14-inch, and you have I think 14 is the tallest one you can get. That's what they call a handicap toilet. And that's what I have in my house because I don't want to hit the floor. I think the other ones are 12 inches or a little bit less. But anyway, you want a 14-inch height. That's the highest you're going to get. That's the one you would say chair height. And elongated for sure. As we get older, we need it. And as well as I probably would go with a two-piece. And the final thing is, if you don't like what you see at the box stores, you can go to a place in town like Ferguson. Specialty stores. There's a lot of them out there.
Plumbing supply.
Plumbing supply. Morrison. There's a lot of supply houses out there. You can see them, look at them, feel them. You can even sit on them. Don't do anything on them because they're not set up. But you can get a good feel for what you want. But Totos are not bad. Totos are actually a great toilet. Yeah, you like that, huh?
No, I'm so glad you explained that they're not set up.
Well, you'd be surprised because I have seen stories.
I'd like you to take this one for a test drive.
People leaving things behind.
No, it's so wrong.
Yes, I know. But yeah, there's a lot of good places, but you're looking at the 14-inch toe.
All right. I'm flush without comment here.
There you go.
Help us out. Send us a question, would you please? Visit homeshowradio.com. That's from which this emanates. And you'll find on the center of the homepage the Ask Tom form. When you send it in, we'll take your question, answer it in one of these videos, or maybe put it on our Facebook Live broadcast.